Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of tactical footwear with the NORTIV V8 men's military tactical work boots. Now, if you're in the market for the best boots to ruck in, look no further. These boots are designed to provide ultimate protection, support, and comfort for all your outdoor adventures. Let's break down some key features that make these boots stand out from the crowd. First off, these boots offer ankle-high protection that wraps and supports your ankles, perfect for navigating rugged terrain. Plus, the YKK side zipper with hook loop strap closure makes them incredibly easy to take on and off, saving you valuable time and hassle. Constructed with a combination of high abrasion-resistant leather and breathable fabric, these boots keep your feet cool and dry while providing full protection against the elements. Whether you're trekking through muddy trails or braving harsh weather conditions, these boots have got you covered. But what really sets these boots apart is the dynamic 3-sole system. The removable, shock-absorbent cushion insole offers all-day comfort, while the flexible EVA midsole reduces foot fatigue and absorbs shock with every step. And let's not forget about the slip, oil, and abrasion-resistant rubber outsole, providing unparalleled traction on any terrain. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some real customers have to say about their experience with these boots. Tyler says, "I haven't had them a long time yet, but so far, these are excellent. They're very comfortable and light, perfect for running if needed." And Riley, a land surveyor, raves, "These are my heavy-duty cold-weather hiking and working boots. I can't imagine there are better boots for the price out there." In conclusion, the NORTIV V8 men's military tactical work boots are the ultimate choice for anyone in need of reliable, durable, and comfortable footwear for their outdoor adventures. That's all for today's review. If you're ready to take your outdoor excursions to the next level, be sure to check out the NORTIV V8 men's military tactical work boots. Until next time, happy exploring!